Alright, so OnePlus is already cooking up the 15T, and honestly, it feels like the 13T just dropped a few months ago. Well, it did, but hey, when has OnePlus ever been the type to slow down? A new leak from Yogesh Brar says the OnePlus 15T is coming with some solid upgrades. First up, cameras. Apparently this thing is getting a third rear camera. Yep, it's going from 2 to 3. The 13T already had a wide and a telephoto lens, so everyone's hoping the new one is an ultra wide. Because let's be real, ultra wides just make everything look cooler, especially when you're squeezing in friends, buildings, or ridiculously dramatic sunset shots. Now let's talk battery, because it sounds like OnePlus is going big. The 13T already had a massive 6260 milliamp hour battery, but the 15T might take it even further. No specific capacity has been widely reported yet, but we're talking close to 7,000 milliamp hour territory. That's basically a power bank in your pocket. Imagine binging content, doom scrolling, and still having juice left by bedtime. The best part? It's still compact. They're sticking with that sweet 6.3 2-inch display, big enough to enjoy your videos, but small enough to not feel like you're holding a brick. Under the hood, it's expected to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, same chip that's expected in the OnePlus 15, plus an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor will be carried forward from 13T, which is faster and more accurate. Other potential features, Oxygen OS 16 based on Android 16 up to 24 gigs RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, an IP6, 8 IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, and a metal frame. So yeah, we don't have much to go on yet, but with what we've got, the OnePlus 15T is shaping up to be a compact beast. Extra camera, bigger battery, powerful chip, all packed into a sleek little frame. If the leaks are true, this might be one of the best compact flagships of the year. That brings us to the question, which year? If it follows the pattern of previous T models, we're likely looking at a release sometime in the first half of 2026, just a few months after the main OnePlus 15. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.